do you think would be better? Go up in second or first? It's a standard, just so you know.
I do second.
Okay.
But mine kind of winds out a little bit more than this probably will. So, I mean, wheel speed's not going to hurt you. So
second
it is. It won't. Like I said, it isn't bad. The worst part is when you hit this face here, it'll kind of push you over. Just roll up it.
But hit it.
Not hard.
not hard.
Yeah.
But hit it.
Yep. Just a little bit. Yep.
All right. Hopefully I won't die. We'll see.
Nah, you're good.
You want me to go more left, you think?
Okay. Just give her a little more skinny pedal and you'll be fine.
It's only a little terrifying.
Hard passenger. And honestly, if it was me, put it in two-wheel drive if you can.
And then
Two-wheel drive, put it in
into.
Put it in reverse. I think when he starts backing up, it'll slide him around.
And keep it.
Just give it a little bit of gas when you back up, but you're in a hole. This side is, this isn't going to move, so just let her back up. Give it a little bit. Alright, good. Alright, now.
Trying.
Pull up.
So you want me to go for it? Okay. So many people. Some burning clutch and burning tires. Can you smell it? Oh. Is that recording? Yeah. Okay.
You okay?
Yeah, it's the burning that I'm sad about. Clutches are expensive. Well, fuck. Take that out of gear. Clutch. Cool it.
Hello.